What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to another video.
Today's video is a little bit different. Finally got around to sharing some of the cocktails that you always ask us about.
Yes, if you guys follow along our vlogs, pretty much will see us drinking these 3 drinks on rotation. And now that summer is here, these ones are specifically like our summer go-tos.
Yeah, we've been drinking this one quite a bit recently, and we haven't really showed much of it, so it's making its debut.
Yay!
But if you're new here, we are a vlog channel, fashion, home decor. We do a lot of different types of videos.
Yes, and feel free to subscribe, hang out. We do all sorts of stuff, but we are really big foodies and we love to drink. So we're finally creating some videos sharing the breakdowns of our recipes that you'll see in our vlogs, in our daily life all the time. As you guys know, if you follow along our vlogs, Hunter is the bartender in this house, so I have nothing to do with these drinks. These are his creations.
Yeah, and a lot of these recipes are things that I've either learned over the years and kind of added my own spin or splash to it, or things I just kind of created on my own.
They're pretty simple, kind of healthy, I guess if you could say that cocktails are healthy, and they're really good. So.
Yeah, no, they're definitely a healthier version because everything we use is like fresh squeezed ingredients, no added sugars or anything like that. So basically it's just liquor and fresh squeezed juices.
Good stuff.
If you're new, hit like, hit subscribe. We'd love to have you follow along, but without further ado, let's go ahead and walk through these 3 cocktails.
You always talking about it, you never making no profit. I treat my hoes like an option. If she talking, then get out of pocket. I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousine. To look at me, that costs a fee. The double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it, yeah. You always talking about it. You say that you rapping about it, yeah, but I see that you cap about it. Living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousine. So look at me, that costs a fee. Them double C's all on my feet. I changed my color to Nipsey blue. Your rest to get smart, that shit pitiful. If you tryna get so physical, that 4-5 will make you invisible. I'm living my life like a criminal. I caught this shit first for he paid. We quiet, there's no one to blame. Yeah, my lawyer said we beat the case. I'm living my life celebration. I'm thinking the Lord, I got patience. I'm loving the way that she take it. I pin it, I fold it, I flip it. She bringing it back just to prove it. I'm giving her work just to move it, yeah. I'm living the life that I'm choosing, yeah. I'm getting these racks, getting stupid, yeah. You always talking about it, you never making no profit. I treat my hoes like an option. If she talking, then get out of pocket. I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousine. So look at me, that costs a fee. The double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it, yeah. You always talking about it. You say that you rapping about it, yeah, but I see that you cap about it. Living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousine. So look at me, that costs a fee. Them double C's all on my feet. Pull up with a drum like I'm Tommy Lee. Yo, I got a stick, ain't no rock with me. Million wrists, ain't no rocks on me. I'm pretty as fuck, wanna copy me. I heard you was mad cause I'm popping this shit. I'm popping the pain and I'm popping that bitch. I hop out the plane and went straight to the whip. I know they can see. I think that's really cool if you asking me. Bugatti no body roll, curtains ain't back at the candy roll. I lower my lawyer costs. I hate when I run out smart. Pull up to the party, oh. Yeah, we like the party, oh. I finished the bottle, dog. Get this bitch jumping on Mario. This shit so hard. Cigarette, car, bedroom, stars. Please don't save my life. You always talking about it, you never making no profit. I treat my hoes like an option. If she talking, then get out of pocket. I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousine. So look at me, that costs a fee. The double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it, yeah. You always talking about it. You say that you rapping about it, yeah, but I see that you cap about it. Living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousine. So look at me, that costs a fee. Them double C's all on my feet.
Yeah. Rolling up, somebody get another cup. My phone keep blowing up. Getting money just for showing up, yeah. Still I cry the best days of our lives. of our lives. Forget about a 9 to 5, 9 to 5. Let's rage all through the night. So alive, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wish that we could spend every single day this way.
Party with my friends and we all get wasted. Take all my regrets, let the love erase it. Broke my heart, take a drink to chase it. Broke my heart, take a drink, drink. Party with my friends and we all get wasted. Take all my regrets, let the love erase it. Broke my heart, take a drink to chase it. Broke my heart, take a drink, drink.
They can hate on us, the world is ours. Ain't no time to stop and smell the flowers. If there's something that you wanna let me know, you should say it now before I gotta go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Still I cry the best days of our lives. Forget about a 9 to 5, 9 to 5. Let's rage all through.